Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to block someone on TikTok. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to block someone on TikTok, all you gotta do is simply tap open your TikTok app. So once you open your TikTok app, you can simply go in your search bar and type the name of person you want to block. So I'm typing in a name, and once you have found that particular person, you can go in users and search for that particular person. Once you have found it, you can simply tap on them, and after tapping on that particular person, you can simply find this arrow icon. Simply tap on it, and then you can find the option called block. Simply tap on block, and now you will get a warning to either you want to block that person or not. This is more sort of a confirmation kind of stuff. So once you tap on the block option, you can simply block that person on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.